In my previous video on PEPE, I told you guys how important is that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and guys, look what happened. After this small correction, we bounced perfectly off this support level, and we are now 20% in profit, going to this local top, which will be 50% of profit in that trade. Welcome back to my channel. This is InTrader, and in this video I'm gonna update PEPE. So make sure stick around, make sure watch this video, because till the end you will know exactly how to trade this coin and what to do in this market. I'm gonna give you a lot of useful information. We're gonna talk about price prediction, technical analysis, and more. But first, let's talk about altcoin Bitcoin season, because as we can see here, we're clearly going up into the altcoin season, which is a great indicator. It's a great sign for all the altcoins, not only Ethereum, not only medium, but also small cap coins. And we should see some movement very soon. We're already seeing it, but right now, when we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are still at the top, and I think this huge bounce over here indicates that we're gonna reverse all the way up here, or we're just gonna continue going down into this channel that we formed previously on that level on the left side here. Then we're probably gonna go down. If we go down, it's gonna mean huge L season, which is gonna be great for PEPE. So coming back to my previous analysis, my current trading setup is buying from this 618 support level, which was already filled. Absolutely, there's no financial advice here, as always. Please make your own research. This is just my personal opinion on the market. All right, so we bounced, as I told you before, we bounced around 20% here, and my current trade setup is to take profits just before this local top right here, which would be around 45%, but that absolutely satisfies me. However, if we were to actually drop a little below into support B right here and bounce back all the way up, that would mean profit of around 93%. So only because we reach only that support 618 here, that automatically means I'm gonna take less profit because it's gonna be less risky. However, if we went all the way down here, I would do anything between 75 up to 90%, something like that, and we can go lower to support A. And after bouncing back all the way to that local top right here, that would mean a profit of around, let's see, 140%, right? So yeah, as you can see, the lower we get, the more percentage of a profit you can make on the way up. But is that really possible? Is going down to this support number B, support B and support A, is it really possible? It really depends on what BTC is going to do on the market. So if we go to BTC chart, this would actually mean that we have to retest this level. So if something like that happens, that we're going to have a slight correction, like around 25%, and then we're going to go up to new all-time high and just pass 100k. If something like that happens, that means a correction of around 22% or something, and that would mean that on PEPE we would see a drop to support B and support A, possibly the lowest point that we could ever get, in my opinion, right now. Okay, so we have to observe what actually BTC is doing. If something like that happens, then on PEPE, we're gonna probably see this 618 level to be broken and going all the way down to support B. All right, so support B, in my opinion, is the one that we can actually reach easily. But am I really predicting this happening? I cannot really predict anything. It's about possibilities. It's likely, but less likely than going to support A. Okay, so as an experienced trader, you have to be ready for multiple scenarios. All right, and that's gonna save you. So right now, this 618 level here, it was my first option, but also it goes with less profit on the way up. So I'm taking all my profits from this trade until the top here, as I told you before. However, if we reserve, there's no problem. Okay, if we actually stop over here and we retest the support, we break it, retest, and we go back to B, then it's okay. I'm gonna accept that loss, and I'm gonna fill up my orders at support B. And on the way up, as we bounce, this support B would give me around 30% of profit just going back to that point, and going back to the previous point will give me 50%. So if you add up even more, then this profits from support B will be so high that it will cover any loss. So it's all about patience. It's all about putting emotions on the side, and it's about investing less than you can afford to lose. All right, so it's actually really simple. So whatever happens on this chart, I will be prepared, and I will come up with profit. You know, I will end up with profit either way. I don't care if we go down, I don't care if we go up, either way will be bringing profit. It's all about patience. And as I told you many times in my videos, that actually fear and greed index is a perfect indicator for you when it comes to buying and selling. So last week we were at extreme greed, and I was talking about it, how high we were, and actually we could see a little correction. I think we need a little correction. We almost got 100k, but we had that really psychological 100k support, and we had a little shakeout of around, I think it was 7%, around 9%. Fear and greed index at 78, which is not that bad. So we are ready for the next movement. Lastly, let's just talk about possible price prediction on let's go to CoinGecko. PEPE is like number 23, Michael Jordan. It's 8 billion market cap. So if we were actually to double in price, that would mean going to around 16. So that would put us between Stellar, XLM, and Toncoin. Actually tripling in price would mean around 24. So we would just be just outside top 10. So it's absolutely possible, and I really believe that the whole market will like double or triple at the same time. So but we'll see. Like, I would rather just take profit along the way up, and just don't really look at those 5x 10x predictions, because what if they're never come to life? All right, that's it for today. Make sure to go to my channel, subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful. You can also comment down below. It really helps me grow, helps my channel grow, so I really appreciate that. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.